TGK, and I'm filming my first video, and this first video is gonna be all on Fortnite. And shout out to Twitch because that's what I'm streaming on, but it's really gonna be posted on YouTube. And I'm gonna be streaming. I'm gonna be not streaming because I'm not really like asking for views for the stream. I just stream, download it, post it to YouTube. So right now I'm gonna be filming a video of me. As you guys see, there's no sound to Fortnite. You guys already know if there's sound or not because there will be background music, but there is no music at all because I am gonna be playing Fortnite with no sound, trying to get the top 10. So I'm not gonna ask for a win because that's just too much, and I don't got my first solo win. But I'm gonna be it's gonna be no, you know what? Let's change it up. Let's do 50 v 50, but let's get that win. If we could get the win with 50 v 50 with no fill, with don't fill, which if you guys don't know what that means, fill and don't fill, that means fill means you got a squad, and don't fill means you don't have a squad, you're by yourself. And if you guys are watching this video, you know Fortnite, so you probably already know. I have to take the backpack away. Should I be a no skin? No, let's clutch up with this baby girl right here. I guess, guys, I cannot hear nothing. There will be background music in the lobby. It's not because I choose not to hear nothing. Well, it is because it's not because I can't hear nothing. I have a choice to hear it or not. But for this video, I'm not going to be, it's going to be dead silent. So I can't hear no one walking up. I can't hear nobody freaking, I can't hear nothing. Literally nothing, guys. I even switched my Skullcandy headset that I used to hear off my monitor, and I switched it with this trash one with a mic. So look, guys, there's supposed to be 3 things right here. There's supposed to be 3, not this one not included. There's supposed to be 3, but there's only 2. And guys, look, headset volume. You can't hear nothing. I can't hear nothing. I just want to prove to you guys that no one can hear nothing. Look, just shoot the gun. Alright, let's go to Tilted. We gotta land with the people. Well, my teammates. So the green ones are my teammates. It's not gonna show them because they're not actually like on my squad, but they're on my team. They're on my 50v team. That makes sense. And a lot of people are going to Tilted, and this is the other battle bus. It's actually, it's all the way up there. I'm gonna try to land that clock tower. Don't mind. Got that umbrella. Oh, I forgot to switch the metal one for the, what's it called? Clock tower? Oh, yep. I bet he is. Oh, yep. Oh, that's messed up. That's messed up, bro. Like, how you gonna treat me like that? We on the same team. Now I don't got a gun. I gotta hurry up and loot because people be greedy. As you guys just saw. No, of course, 4 damage. It did not build nothing. Nothing 4 damage. I can't even hear a chest. Like, no chest I can hear. So I'm stuck with this dumb freaking gun right here. Dude, I know I should have blocked you out. I get full shield because I don't have full health. Circle's always not tilted when I come. Oh freak, I wasn't paying attention. Hopefully no one hit here, hopefully. Always watch me drive. See guys, I don't know if there's a chest or not because sometimes there be, sometimes, oh yeah. Sometimes there's a chest and sometimes there's not, so I don't know if there's a chest or not because I cannot hear nothing. Oh, Yes, make it just what I need. I think there's sometimes a chest in here. Yep. See guys, this just in case you do a challenge like this for a YouTube channel, that's why you always gotta remember where all the chest is. So right here, that's like the most random spot, and they always say it's in the middle. So I just took out the middle. Guys, not everybody is freaking doing the no skin freaking, cause if you guys don't know, there's a glitch. I just showed you guys basically. I just showed you guys a glitch. Not everybody's doing it. Like literally no one cares, but Fortnite's gonna end up patching it up because everybody's just doing it. Like literally everybody. This dude's just wasting. Did anyone hit? Oh, they hit over there. Nothing good. They got the chest in there. Did they hit the pawn shop? Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, they hit the pawn shop hard, very hard. They basically just hit everywhere. That's why I don't like coming to Tilted and 50v50s, because alright, so if I don't win, at least my goal is to get 3 or more kills. If I don't get 3 or more kills without if I get 3 or more kills but with no win, I'm gonna be satisfied. But if I don't get 3 or more kills and no win, then I'm not gonna be satisfied. If I get a win with no kills, then I am gonna restart because I need to get me at least 1 kill. I don't know how I'm gonna get me some kills with this dude. Freaking greedy bastards, bro. Just give me a freaking gun. Look, I'm rocking a pump, clingers, and this revolver. That's hard to get shots with. Oh, I just seen someone that wasn't on our team. And this dude didn't see him. He's obviously, oh my god. Dude, what are you shooting at? Oh, freak. Ah, that was gonna be my kill. Come on. Oh, jump gun. That's me. No, I want the new gun. Wait, what? I didn't even get that kill, bro. Bro. I just wasted one of my bouncers and I didn't even get the kill. Like, I didn't even know that dude was right there. I swear I saw someone go up there, bro. Oh, he probably came down. If you guys can see where the mini map is, right at the bottom where it shows the kills in the storm time, it says that there. Oh, match. Don't get me off the match. Guys, don't you hate when you're freaking trying to build something and it automatically just builds something else like on top? You imagine that he wasn't on my team? Who shot at me, bro? It was one of your niggas, bro. You shooting me? You gotta think. He wanted me to drop something for him. Thank you, bro. You can have that. But I actually need I'm gonna tell him I need a gun. Oh, it cancels it? Dude, I'm not even about that gay stuff, bro. Here, you can have that one, buddy. Oh, he's not on my team. This dude's so scared. Run! Okay, I got my 1 kill that I've been asking for the whole game. Now, what I'm asking for, since I guess I'm getting what I'm asking for nowadays, please give me a sniper. I the ammo for a sniper. Oh, a sniper. Is that a bow? A gold one? God, the blessing today. Bro, what? Was that dude on my team? Oh. I had to make sure. It looked kind of creepy. You know, just give me a scar. Ah, move, you fucking faggot. Bro, no way that I missed that, bro. No way. Oh, freak. If I hit him with this, I'll do a giveaway. Oh, that dude was running right into it. Bro, that was the most intense thing I've seen. I can't know my peek now. There's no fucking way that I missed that. Fuck, he's gonna get revived. Fuck. Yeah, you don't want to get sniped. Oh, why don't they want to? Oh yeah, nah, they just trying to finish that dude. Ah, no. Oh no! Oh no! Ah, if I would've caught this nigga in the storm, bro, yeah, I'm gonna catch him. Nah, bro, let me get him, guys. Let me get him. Ah, fuck, bro. Nah, bro. Oh, damn, bro. Those people dying down there. Oh, yeah, damn, bro. Just the thing, I can't even hear none of this. A ghost car. That's me. Bro, don't take it. Eh. Oh, damn, there's only 9 people left. Let me have those rockets, homeboy. Of course, I built the dumbest thing that you could build. Situation. Oh my god. I believe I'm good. Ah, fuck. Well, I'm never right, but still. Take that down. I thought I saved the dude. see him. Ah, fuck. Dude, where are they shooting at? They're just shooting at their teammate. No one's there. There's only 4 people left. Lucky bro, I just have the feeling someone's gonna shoot me down. Who's gonna have the nerve to shoot me down? See, man, I would've hit that trick shot. Kill him already. But oh, we won! Yeah, I just noticed. Well, that was a first win. I got my kill. I thought I would get more. Well, at least we won, right, guys? At least we won. Guys, make sure to subscribe. This is a brand new channel, guys. If you guys don't know what the TGK stands for, it stands for The Gamer Kid. And very soon it's just gonna be FaZe TGK. So make sure to let everybody know on FaZe. So I'll see you guys later. Well, no, should I? I gotta make another video though. Guys, thank you a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe for me, guys. Please make sure to subscribe. I am just a little kid trying to follow a dream. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure to turn on post notifications when you subscribe, so you could be part of the TGK gang, aka notification gang too. I'll see you guys later. I love